If you want to change icon shape and style on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then what you can do is you can get the Good Lock app, which allows us to get a plugin, which then allows us to customize the icons that we have on our phone. In order to get the Good Lock app, you can go to the Galaxy Store over here, then you can use the search option in the upper right corner. Here we can use the search field at the bottom and we can type Good Lock, and you can of course use suggestions. And of course this is the app that we want to install. Once you have it, of course we want to open it. And then you should see the list of all of these different plugins that we can get on our phone. I actually encourage you to check them out as well. But in the case of icons, we want to use the theme park, and we can just tap on this arrow that we have on the right side, wait for the plugin to be installed, and then once it is complete, you can tap on it to open the theme park app. Now in here at the bottom, we're gonna go to icon, and then you should be able to tap on create new, and here we begin the customization. So as you can see here, we have a couple of different shapes that we can use. As you can see, there's actually lots of them, and you can even use the gallery or sticker or anything else, and based on that you can create your own shape if you want to. Let's say I'm gonna choose this style here. You can also apply a color that is going to be the base color for these icons. So you can even choose any color from the color picker over here. Let's say I'm going to choose this one. And there we go. Now in this case, it didn't change because of for example, the effects. So here we also have the basic color that we can change. So maybe instead of changing the color of the shape here, you can go to effects and change the icon color here if you choose the basic option. But besides that, we also have the emboss, we have glass, we have gradient, duotone, and the film grain. So you can just simply try to choose any of them. Maybe I'm going to actually switch to something like this one here. And besides that, we also have icon pack. So we can try to get an icon pack over here. You can download third-party icon packs and you can use them over here. Or you can choose a monochrome option and that might work as well. Let's say I'm going to stick with this one though. And once you are done with the customization, we can use this download button that we have here in the upper right corner, and then we set up the name for that theme and press OK to save it. Once it is saved, you can tap on that theme and then you can apply it on your phone, and then we can go back to the home screen, and as you can see, we have this new style. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.